The Focusrite Scarlett 2i2 3rd generation is perfect for small budget podcasting and music studio setups. So this audio interface retails at around £125, which some could say is quite expensive, but in the long term, this is a great investment. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be discussing with you how to set up your Scarlett 2i2 Focusrite audio interface, this is the 3rd generation, to your MacBook Pro or iMac. Take your Focusrite interface and USB-A to USB-C connector out of the box and connect this to the back of the interface. Then open up your MacBook and make sure you have a USB-A port or an adapter. Once this is plugged in, you will notice that a program comes up on your MacBook. So this is a Scarlett 3rd generation, so make sure you select the right one, as there have been previous models. Next, the name of your box is the Scarlett 2i2. This means that you can have 2 inputs and 2 outputs. Next, you'll see this page which has step-by-step instructions in terms of creating your account, downloading software, preferences for music, and of course registering the box as a whole. So create an account, but for this step I'm going to skip it as I already have one. Next, you need to enter the serial number for your Scarlett 2i2. Turn your interface upside down and you will see in white writing your serial number. The next thing it's going to ask you to do is to download the Scarlett 2i2 installer. Now this is essential for your Scarlett to work. Make sure you follow the step-by-step instructions provided by the company and you'll be able to get started. So, how are you going to listen to your music? Well, make sure that if you are doing it for a podcast, you select that you are using headphones. However, if you're using it for a music studio setup, there are 1 or 2 options. If you're going to be recording a voice or an instrument, then you need to make sure you select headphones also. However, if you're a sound engineer in the music industry, then you'll need to make sure you select speakers. One of the great things that comes in with this software is a broad range of music software. Now, for Mac users, as we all know, you can get GarageBand as a default program. I personally use GarageBand for when I do my podcast at the Mad Natter Podcast, and I also use it for voiceovers such as for this video. So for me, I don't need to worry about downloading the software. However, if you're not a Mac user or you don't want to use GarageBand, then I would recommend selecting one of these other programs available to you. There is also that additional option to help set up your Scarlett for the specific program that you've selected, but if not, then you can skip this step. If you're able to set up your Scarlett 2i2, then select yes. If not, then check out their help centre or leave a comment down below in this video and I'll get back to you to see what I can do. And once all that is sorted, then you are set up with your Scarlett 2i2 for your MacBook or iMac. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any questions at all, feel free to leave them down in the comment below. Take care and I'll see you in the next one.